Hey guys, this is Stacy, and I wanted to just give you something that maybe you can play over and over and remember for our underground utility folks and for plumbers. And a lot of people always ask me what's the easiest way. Okay, so you have to determine how many cubic yards of dirt you have to remove. Okay, so just remember you need three dimensions. And if we're talking about pipe, one of the dimensions is the length of the pipe. The second is the width of the pipe. And if we're talking about excavation, you're going to add 2 feet to that width, 1 foot on either side. So that's the width. And then the depth is how far underground. Now, there's a whole process on that, and I'll go over that with you if you take any of my classes, or, if you are on Construction Queen TV on the Underground Utilities channel, it's on there. Okay, so remember, three dimensions. And so, what I want to tell you to do is think in terms of feet. So, three dimensions in terms of feet. With the pipe, you're going to have 200, 300 feet of that pipe. And then, if it's a 12-inch pipe, 12 inches is 1 foot, and I said you add a foot on either side. So the third dimension is 3 feet. And then if it's 6 or 7 feet underground, then that's your third dimension in feet. So you multiply those all together, you get cubic feet, and then you divide by 9. When you divide by 9, that changes cubic feet into cubic yards. And you have how many cubic yards of dirt you have to remove. Okay, so just remember three dimensions: the length of the pipe, the width of the pipe plus 2 feet, and the depth. How far underground is it? Is it 3 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 12 feet? If it's a storm pipe, it could be really down there, 20 feet. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, make sure to email me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com. Have a wonderful week.